metal manufacturing plant produces cables or ropes that are strong enough to support weights of up to 3,000 kilograms. They are used in heavy industries such as mining, construction, and to anchor offshore oil rigs to the bottom of the sea. The people who make this material are called cable and splicing machine operators. They have specialized skills. Some work as rope closing operators and others as rope testers. Safety is important at all times. These strands are the raw material used to make cables. They're rolled onto bobbins. The rope closing operators check the quality of the strands and cables and also ensure that the machinery and process runs smoothly. You need to be physically strong and have a grade 10 certificate to do this job. These employees have been trained on the job. Rope closing operators use a sun and planet machine to manufacture cables. It has this name because the bobbins rotate around the cage, the large circular part of the machine, like the planets rotate around the sun. The closing operators push new strands through these holes, hooking them to the ends of strands left in the machine from the previous job, which pull the new ones through. The strands then go through the lay block or forming block, which creates the cable. After this, they are pulled by another part of the machine, the caxton, onto the reel. The cable is formed by the opposite actions of the sun and planet machine. The cage turns and the caxton pulls. In this way, the single strands become twisted together to form a strong cable. Next, the cable is tested by a rope tester. He first checks the job card and uses math skills to interpret all the specs so that the cable can be tested appropriately. The rope tester then makes cones to hold the cable to the test rig. The test rig pulls the cable to breaking point. It can break a cable strong enough to carry up to 3,000 kilograms of weight. The cable is tested to break at about 11% higher than its required strength. The results are fed into monitors in the rope test lab and interpreted by the rope test lab foreman using computer skills. The client is issued with a rope testing certificate guaranteeing the rope strength. Attention to detail is very important for all operators, as the cable they manufacture affects the safety of other people's lives. If you're motivated, you can advance in the sector. An apprentice fitter and turner can study through the company and progress their career.